first VPN application similar to a lot of popular VPN applications out there. And as you can see here, this is pretty much the home screen of the VPN application. So once you open up application here, we'll ask you to log in and so forth. Once you have done that, you will pretty much be greeted with their home screen. So you have a lot of server which you can choose from. I'm talking about a lot of servers which you can use, a lot of locations you have for this VPN application here. So as you can see, you can scroll and look for what you want, whichever server you want to connect to. But do keep in mind, some of these servers you're going to need a subscription to use. And if you don't have a subscription, you won't be able to get access to these servers here. And so you can pretty much see the ones with the star are pretty much the subscription servers. But for these simple servers here, you'll be able to use. Now at the top here, before we try to connect to this here, you pretty much will see what type of protocol you'll be using. As you can see, a lot of protocols here as it relates to this VPN here. You have the WireGuard option, a lot of them. Based on what you want to use, all you have to do is just select or go ahead, whichever protocol you want to use, and it will start connecting in no time. So we'll just connect to a random server. As you can see here, I can tap on don't ask again for this option. But we'll just connect to a random server for you, maybe in the United States servers or any one of those servers. But if you do want to change the server, you can tap on the server option down here. And you tap on, let's say for Canada, you can select the Canada option here, and it will show you different locations within Canada. Pretty much the same thing for the other locations as well. So once you've found the server that we want to use, let's say for example this one here, and you do get 10 gigabytes for free if you don't have any subscription. I'm not sure if it's per day or if it's just one time use, but more likely per day. But anyways, so once you've found the server that you want to use, you can also add it as your favorite by tapping on the R.O.B.E.R.T icon here. You can go ahead and tap on this option here, which is pretty much the Canada server, and it'll be connected in no time. So you can see here, I'm currently connected to the Canada server. At the top here, you may see some icons. This is pretty much the favorite server icon list, and this option here is pretty much some other servers as well. So if you do tap on these three lines over here, you'll be able to go in the account section. This is pretty much where you can go to get your subscription. I'm currently on a free plan, as I said before. I currently have 10 gigabytes to use for free with the free plan option. So you can tap on the upgrade to Pro option, where pretty much gives you everything as it relates to this VPN application here. And as you can see here, the prices and pretty much everything that they offer as it relates to this VPN application here. So you will be getting all the exclusive servers and pretty much all the locations for this VPN here. So very, very good VPN, very easy to use. And if you want to disconnect it, all you have to do is tap on the power button at the top here, and you're pretty much disconnected. But very easy application to use, and if you still don't understand, just let me know in the comment section and see if I can help you. And as well, you can tap on this option down here to go to their subscription page as well. So that's all for today, and I hope this helped. Any one of you might want to know how to use this VPN application here. And with all that said, guys, see you in the next one.